Welcome to Reliable Prepper, the channel where we help you prepare not just for the future, but for the unexpected. Today we're tackling one of the most crucial aspects of preparedness, creating a comprehensive bug-in plan for your family. Whether it's civil unrest, natural disasters, or any other emergency that keeps you confined to your home, having a solid bug-in plan can be the difference between safety and chaos. Before we dive in, I want to let you know that we've created a free downloadable bug-in plan template to help you get started. You can find it in the pinned comment below this video. So after watching, make sure to grab your copy to follow along or customize your own plan. And of course, if you haven't subscribed to Reliable Prepper yet, now's the perfect time. Hit that notification bell so you never miss out on crucial prepping tips. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with others who might benefit from this life-saving information. Let's get started on building a bug-in plan that ensures your family's safety no matter what happens. The first step in creating an effective bug-in plan is assessing your family's specific needs. Every household is unique and your plan should reflect that. How many people are in your household? This includes everyone who will be bugging in with you: children, elderly relatives, and even pets. Consider how each member's needs might differ. For example, children and seniors may require special care, while pets have their own set of requirements that need to be addressed. Next, consider any health issues within your family. Are there chronic conditions that require medication, like diabetes or asthma? What about dietary restrictions? Make a list of these needs so you can ensure you're fully prepared. For instance, if someone requires medication that needs to be refrigerated, you'll need to plan for a backup power source to keep it cool in case of a power outage. Finally, evaluate the layout of your home. Identify any potential vulnerabilities, such as ground-level windows or doors that might be easy to breach. Also, think about which areas of your home could serve as a safe room. A safe room is a secure area where your family can retreat in case of a serious threat, and it's an essential part of your overall bug-in plan. Don't forget to check the pinned comment for our free downloadable bug-in plan template, where you can fill out these details as we go along. Communication is a vital component of any emergency plan. Start by compiling a list of emergency contacts. This should include local authorities, neighbors, and out-of-town relatives who can act as a lifeline during an emergency. Make sure each family member knows how to reach these contacts and keep the list in a readily accessible place. Next, let's talk about communication devices. In an emergency, traditional phone lines and internet services might go down. That's why it's crucial to have alternative methods of communication, such as walkie-talkies, CB radios, or even satellite phones. These devices can keep you connected when other systems fail. Walkie-talkies are particularly useful for short-range communication within your home or neighborhood, while CB radios can help you stay informed about what's happening in your wider community. Finally, establish a set of code words or phrases that only your family understands. These can be used to convey important information discreetly, such as signaling danger or giving instructions without alerting potential threats. Practice using these codes regularly so that they become second nature to everyone involved. Remember, all these details can be added to the template available in the pinned comment. Now that we've covered communication, let's move on to one of the most critical aspects of bugging in Stockpiling Essentials. When it comes to food, focus on non-perishable items that can sustain your family for at least 30 days. Stock up on canned goods, dried foods like beans and rice, and freeze-dried meals. These foods have a long shelf life and are easy to prepare. Be sure to consider your family's dietary needs and preferences when choosing what to stockpile. If someone has a food allergy or dietary restriction, make sure you have enough suitable options on hand. Water is arguably the most critical resource. You should store at least 1 gallon of water per person per day, covering drinking, cooking, and hygiene needs. Store your water in a cool, dark place and regularly check it to ensure it hasn't been contaminated. Additionally, have a plan for collecting and purifying water if your stored supply runs out. A good water filter or purification tablets can be lifesavers if you need to tap into alternative water sources. Your medical supplies should include a well-stocked first aid kit and any necessary prescription medications. Aim to have at least a 30-day supply of medications and store them in a way that ensures their efficacy, especially if they require refrigeration. Don't forget over-the-counter medications like pain relievers, antihistamines, and stomach remedies, as these can be just as important in an emergency. Hygiene products are essential for maintaining health and morale during a bug-in scenario. Stock up on toilet paper, soap, toothpaste, and feminine hygiene products. Also, think about how you'll manage waste disposal if utilities are disrupted. Portable toilets or even DIY solutions like buckets lined with trash bags can help you maintain sanitation. To help you organize your stockpile, refer to the checklist included in the free template linked in the pinned comment. Securing your home is a top priority when bugging in. Start by reinforcing all entry points to your home. This includes installing strong locks on doors, reinforcing door frames, and securing windows with security film or bars. The goal is to make it as difficult as possible for anyone to force their way into your home. Deadbolts, door jamb armor, and window bars are all worth considering. A security system is another layer of defense. Even a basic DIY system with cameras, alarms, and motion detectors can deter would-be intruders. If a full security system is out of your budget, consider installing battery-powered alarms on doors and windows. These won't stop someone from breaking in, but they will alert you to the intrusion and give you time to react. A safe room is your family's last line of defense in a home invasion. This should be an interior room with no windows, ideally located on the main level of your home. The door should be solid and capable of being locked or barricaded from the inside. Stock your safe room with emergency supplies, including food, water, medical supplies, and communication devices. If possible, equip it with a means of escape, such as a hidden exit or ladder. These home security measures can be detailed further in the free bug-in plan template, available through the pinned comment. Your bug-in plan should include detailed instructions on how to respond to various emergency scenarios. Fire is one of the most immediate and dangerous threats in any emergency. Start by ensuring that you have working smoke detectors installed throughout your home, particularly in the kitchen and bedrooms. Test the batteries regularly and replace them at least once a year. Plan and practice escape routes from every room in your home. Everyone in your household should know these routes by heart and have practiced using them in fire drills. Designate a meeting point outside your home where everyone will gather after escaping to ensure all family members are accounted for. Keep fire extinguishers on each floor of your home and make sure everyone knows how to use them. In a bug-in scenario, the risk of fire might increase due to alternative cooking methods or the use of candles for light, making it even more critical to be prepared. A home invasion is a terrifying scenario, but having a plan in place can help you stay calm and take the necessary actions to protect your family. Start by making your home as unattractive a target as possible. This means keeping the exterior well lit, securing all entry points, and using security cameras to monitor the perimeter. If an intruder does breach your home, retreat to the safe room with your family. Lock the door, barricade it if necessary, and use your communication devices to call for help. The safe room should be stocked with supplies to keep you secure until the threat passes. In a bug-in scenario, access to professional medical help might be limited or unavailable. This means you need to be prepared to handle medical emergencies on your own. Ensure that everyone in your household knows basic first aid, including how to treat cuts, burns, and other common injuries, as well as how to perform CPR. If someone in your family has a chronic condition, make sure you have a plan in place for managing it during a crisis. This includes having extra supplies of medication, knowing how to administer treatments, and being aware of the warning signs that indicate a need for professional care. All of these emergency responses can be organized and detailed in the downloadable template linked in the pinned comment. Maintaining hygiene and sanitation is crucial for your family's health and morale during a bug-in. Without running water or functioning plumbing, waste management can quickly become a major issue. If your toilets aren't working, you'll need an alternative solution. Portable toilets are a great option, but if you don't have one, you can improvise with a sturdy trash bag placed in a bucket. Line the bag with a layer of sawdust, cat litter, or shredded newspaper to absorb waste and reduce odors. Seal the bag tightly after use and dispose of it in a secure location away from your living area. Hand hygiene is essential to prevent the spread of disease, especially in a confined space. If running water is unavailable, make sure you have a large supply of hand sanitizer, antibacterial wipes, and alcohol-based cleaning solutions. Use these frequently to clean your hands, especially before eating or handling food, and after using the bathroom. Regular cleaning and disinfection of your living space is critical. Frequently touched surfaces like doorknobs, light switches, and kitchen counters should be cleaned regularly. If you're without power, you may need to rely on manual cleaning methods like scrubbing with soap and water or using disinfectant wipes. Maintaining personal hygiene can be challenging during a bug-in, but it's important for both physical health and mental well-being. Stock up on essentials like soap, toothpaste, and feminine hygiene products. If water is limited, consider alternatives like dry shampoo, no-rinse body wipes, and sponge baths. These can help you stay clean without using up your precious water supply. Keep all these details organized in the free bug-in plan template mentioned in the pinned comment. Staying mentally and emotionally healthy during a bug-in situation is just as important as meeting your physical needs. One of the best ways to maintain emotional well-being is to establish a daily routine. Routines provide structure and a sense of normalcy, which can be incredibly reassuring in a crisis. Try to maintain regular meal times, sleep schedules, and periods for relaxation and recreation. Even something as simple as a morning coffee ritual can provide a comforting sense of order. Boredom and isolation can exacerbate feelings of anxiety and depression, so it's crucial to have activities that keep everyone occupied. Stock up on board games, puzzles, books, and even educational activities to help pass the time. If you have access to power, consider watching movies or playing video games as a family. These shared activities can help maintain a sense of connection and solidarity. Encourage open communication among family members about their feelings and fears. Create an environment where everyone feels safe expressing their emotions without judgment. If someone is struggling, don't hesitate to seek out professional help if possible, even if it's just a phone call or video chat with a therapist. Physical activity is another crucial component of mental health. Even in a confined space, it's important to keep moving. Simple exercises like stretching, body weight exercises, or even yoga can help reduce stress and improve mood. If you have access to a yard or outdoor space, use it to get some fresh air and sunshine, both of which can have a positive impact on mental health. All of these strategies can be integrated into the bug-in plan template available in the pinned comment. While many people prepare for short-term emergencies, it's crucial to have a plan in place if the situation lasts longer than expected. If your stored food supplies start to run low, you'll need a way to replenish them. Consider setting up a small indoor garden using containers or hydroponic systems. You can grow a variety of vegetables and herbs indoors with minimal space and resources. Sprouting seeds are another excellent option. They're easy to grow, require minimal space, and are packed with nutrients. In addition to food production, you'll need to think about water collection. Rainwater harvesting systems are an effective way to collect additional water, especially if you live in an area that receives regular rainfall. Make sure you have a method for purifying this water before use. Even in urban areas, it's possible to collect and purify rainwater with the right equipment. In a prolonged crisis, bartering may become necessary. Identify what items you have in surplus and what you might need from others. Common bartering items include food, water, medical supplies, and tools. Establishing a network of trusted contacts before a crisis can make bartering easier and safer. Include these long-term sustainability plans in the template available for download in the pinned comment. Finally, let's talk about the importance of community involvement in a bug-in scenario. While the focus is on staying in place, staying connected with your community can enhance your security and access to resources. If you haven't already, consider getting involved in a neighborhood watch or mutual aid group. These groups can help monitor your area for potential threats, share information, and provide assistance to those in need. In a crisis, your neighbors might be your first line of defense, and working together can make everyone safer. Stay informed about what's happening in your area. Local news, social media, and community meetings are good sources of information. Being aware of potential threats or changes in the situation can help you make informed decisions about your bug-in plan. If you're able, offer assistance to neighbors, especially those who are elderly or have special needs. Helping others can build goodwill and strengthen community bonds, which can be invaluable in a crisis. Consider adding a section on community involvement in your bug-in plan template, which you can download from the pinned comment. By now, you should have a solid understanding of what it takes to create a comprehensive bug-in plan for your family. We've covered everything from assessing your family's needs to securing your home, stockpiling essentials, and ensuring long-term sustainability. Remember, preparation is key. Review and update your bug-in plan regularly to ensure it remains relevant to your family's needs. Practice your emergency response drills, rotate your supplies, and stay connected with your community. Don't forget to download the free bug-in plan template from the pinned comment below to help you put everything we've discussed into action. If you found this guide helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with others who might benefit from it. And make sure to subscribe to Reliable Prepper for more essential prepping tips and strategies. Stay safe, stay prepared, and we'll see you in the next video.